I'm willing to do questions now if you guys have questions, whether it relates to this study or not, because I know I might have skipped some in the chat, but maybe some of those people are still in the chat or maybe they're not. But I know we're already past 2 hours. So thank you all for hanging in there with me. A couple of you have been here the whole session, which is amazing. Kudos to you guys. So I'm open for questions. Again, if you posted something before, go ahead and repost it in the chat so that I can see it again. But questions on the lesson, questions on anything else, this is the time for it. But I think this is such a pivotal chapter. I hope that you guys are starting to see, those building blocks, those fundamentals of data science. Like you're always going to be doing this, right? You're always going to be, where's my data? Try it against my model. What did it tell me? That is data science. Like that's what we're supposed to be doing. So give you guys a minute here for questions. Okay, explore the beauty. Oh, you know what? Let me go to a bigger view. So explore the beauty says, could you please recommend some books on business problems solving for programmers? Explore the beauty, I don't think there's a lot of good ones for them. That's one of the reasons I wrote my book, Your First Year in Data Science, to kind of help you start to make that transition into a team. Because look, another part of business, of moving into the business, and I'm telling you guys, you're going to be employed by corporate entities, is how do you work within a data science team? Most study is just done on your own, but now you're going to be a bigger part of a team, right? So I cover that in my book. I try to kind of address that, your first year in data science. So you're going to find some help there, explore the beauty. But as far as business problems for programmers or like use cases, I can't recommend one because I've never needed one. But I really don't know if there's a good one out there. I'm guessing there is, but I can't recommend one because I can't speak intelligently on it. So I don't want to give you bad advice. So sorry. But it's good that you're at least thinking about it, though. But work on the communication side, right? There's plenty of communication books out there. Okay. Hamad says, "Thank you very much and learned a lot." Thank you, Hamad. I appreciate you being here, and appreciate your support of the Discord. Also, I know you're in Discord quite a bit. Mohammed Mesalmani says, "Do you think Masters in University of Texas at Austin, the online program data science, is worth investing in?"